Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will delve into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 22, 2025, our system has categorized MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 11.60%. This equates to an average loss of 3.87% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $7.86 is breached, it may first indicate a slower pace of increase and could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a possible increase of 132.1% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 109.82% to 669.79%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a decline of 26.21%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a complete loss of value and 2,152.28% over the coming year. In today's terms, this suggests that the future price could land anywhere between $0 and $195.72. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, Volatile Ride from MicroAlgo Inc. Stock price on Thursday moving between $8.48 and $9.87. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 6.16% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April 2025, from $9.26 to $8.69. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 16.39%, ranging from a low of $8.48 to a high of $9.87. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, down by 52.46% over this period. The trading volume also fell on the last day, along with the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 6 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $50,031,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price stands at 98.29%, or $500.91, below the 52-week high, and 99.94%, or $14,291.31, below the all-time high reached on December 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated, trading under the symbol MLGO on NASDAQ, has made significant strides with the recent announcement of its classical boosted quantum optimization algorithm, or CBQOA. This innovative technology combines classical search capabilities with the parallel computing power of quantum systems, addressing complex optimization problems more effectively. Such advancements may position MicroAlgo at the forefront of quantum computing applications, which could positively influence investor sentiment and market valuation in the short term. Additionally, the recent increase in stake by WiMi Hologram Cloud to 67.65%, coupled with a 10-year lockup agreement, signals strong institutional confidence in MicroAlgo's future. This move has already led to a notable 45% rise in MLGO's share price, indicating that investors are optimistic about both immediate and long-term potential. However, contrasting developments include plans to issue additional shares at 80 cents each, which, while aimed at raising funds to support growth and innovation, could dilute current share value. In the short term, this may weigh on the stock price as investors digest the implications of increased share supply. In summary, while the groundbreaking technology and institutional backing suggest positive movements for MLGO, the planned share issuance could create volatility in the stock's price trajectory, making it essential for investors to closely monitor upcoming developments and market reactions. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroAlgo stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also emphasize a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified from MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there's a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $9.55 and $10.99. A breakout above either of these points will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 64.16%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as it is typical for volume to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 231 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.34, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, displaying high volatility, and with a considerably wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.39 between its high and low, equating to a 16.39% change. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 39.14%. Before we explore the potential trading levels from MicroAlgo, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $9.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $8.34. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? The MicroAlgo Incorporated stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo will underperform over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last assessment, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 32 cents and begin trading at $9.01. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.